Are your children interested in construction sites? If they are, then this is the kit for you. Based on the book, Goodnight, Goodnight Construction Site, your kit includes the board book, Bulldozer's Shapes, 4 play mats used for Play-Doh, tracing, coloring with washable markers, all sorts of different activities, 6 large shapes cut out from a shelf liner type material, great for lots of gross motor activities, 5 felt little construction trucks, a set of 7 shapes ready to go for lacing, and 1 little peg construction worker, hand painted to go along with the play. Your kit also includes a resource sheet filled with ideas for snack, art, sensory, and more.